Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been long since I posted a video, but something good has been cooking. As you can see, the pictures appearing on your screen are for a chicken. This is pure kienyeji chicken. This is what I've been venturing on, and I didn't want to introduce you to it before being comfortable about the business and being comfortable about answering any of your questions that I may come about in the comment section. So feel free to ask anything. So in case you are there and you really need someone who can supply you with pure kienyeji chicken on retail, currently not doing wholesale. So these are pure kienyeji together with improved kienyeji. I really wanted to venture in this business since I noticed that in Kenya, mostly there are about less than 50% of the pure kienyeji chicken, and the most in the market you are finding that they are chicken that they are called kienyeji, though they are not pure, making them tasteless, not good quality meat. Some farmers are using some boosters to make the chickens big, therefore making the chicken to be unhealthy. The meat itself, it's not even tasty. So I wanted to start and bring up farming that has quality meat, that is well-raised chicken, something that I slaughter, I maintain the cleanliness. The package is very appealing and something that even when it reaches you, you see that it's a good chicken, something that you can cook and have no doubts. Even the meat itself, since my chicken are free range, the quality of the meat, even if you buy the improved kienyeji one, there will be a difference, a very, very big difference from other farmers who are maybe not doing free range. By free range, I mean that allowing the chicken to get out, at least to eat the worms, the green grass. I give them the sukuma, the cabbage, and you mix with the commercial feeds. So by allowing them to eat other things, helps the quality of the meat to improve. Even allowing them to have direct sunlight is a very, very, very big meat improver, since the chicken is able to grow without any stress and it's going to have vitamin D. So if you are there and you have been looking for meat supplier for the white meat, for the chicken, those who want the chicken for soup, be sure that it's available. All you have to do is to order from me. You can order on the number of the screen, 0743 886 550. Remember to include if you need a pure kienyeji chicken or the improved. By pure, I mean the indigenous chicken. By improved, I mean the improved one, but be sure the quality of the meat is good and it's also very tasty. Some people most of my customers who buy improved kienyeji are those who have small kids. They say that they don't want the chicken that has hard meat, since little kids are not able to chew the pure kienyeji, though ours is not that hard. But you find that there are customers who are in love with improved kienyeji. They need a softer meat. So when ordering, make sure you include, and our prices starts from 1,300 to 2,200. That is depending with the size. So, and our chicken we sell from 1.2 kg. 1.2 kg is 1,300. 1.3 1400, 1.4 1500, 1.5 1600, etc, etc. So as you can see in our screen, after slaughtering and removing the feathers, we make sure that we wash the chicken clean. Then it's upon you to specify if you want it cut into pieces. There are those who want it whole, the way it is. There are those who want a specific, they want the hands. Others are specific, they need the jaws. It's up to you to specify what you want and be sure that I'm going to deliver exactly what you ordered. So our location is Thika. We have not yet established a location, a shop, but soon we will. Right now we only do online deliveries. So you only, and we slaughter after you order. So be sure it's freshly slaughtered. So all you have to do is to order before, not exactly like a day before, same day. You can, the time you order, you only need to give us 20 to 30 minutes so that we can slaughter and prepare the chicken and package it. So in our package, we usually gift our customers a chili. When we have more, we always announce that we are adding more gifts, and that time we always add a cube, a beef cube or chicken cube. We also add a garlic cloves. And when we have special orders, we gift our customers different gifts, like a key holder, a very cute one, very cute key holders. I know you have seen the pictures of some chickens that I have that I took with the key holders. We are also gifting some kids watch, and when the gifts are mega, we even gives our customers serving dishes. So thank you so much for watching and listening as you make us your plug for pure kienyeji chicken and improved kitchen. We'll be so glad to serve you. We'll be so glad to deliver quality, fresh and clean, well-packaged chicken to you. And may God bless you. And we have also introduced rabbit meat. And soon I'll do a video about it. So if you also want rabbit meat, be sure to contact me on 0743 886 550. We sell at 900 per kg. Okay, now thank you so much. As you order, we'll be waiting for your orders and we'll be ready to serve you. Thank you.